We will now answer this question, that is a number of times f of x equals 7 in the closed interval 0, comma 40, and we are given the table values for f of x for values of x 0, 10, 20, 30, and 40. So here we are going to use this intermediate value theorem to answer this question. Let's understand this intermediate value theorem. Suppose we have a function f which is continuous over the interval a comma b, and if k is some number between f of a and f of b, then there exists a number c that between a and b such that f of c equals k. That is basically this k lies between f of a and f of b. Then we will have this condition, that is f of c equals k. So to determine this number of times f of x equal to 7, and we want to answer how many times this f of x is 7 in the interval 0 to 40. So first, let's consider this interval 0 and 40, 0 and 10, that is this closed interval 0 and 10. If you look at this f of x, that is at x equal to 0, f of x is 3, and at x equal to 10, f of x equal to 10. So we see that f of a, and this equals f of 0, and this equals 3, and we see that f of b, and this equals f of 10, and this equals 10. Since we wanted to answer the number of times f of x equal to 7, clearly we can see that the number 7 lies between 3 and 10. That is, we can see that k equal to 7, and this lies between f of a and f of b. That is, k is between f of a and f of b. So, which means in this interval, we see that f of x equal to 7. So, we have one interval where f of x equal to 7. Now, let's consider another interval. So, suppose if we consider this interval, that is 10 and 20, in this interval, the function values are 10 and 11. Clearly, 7 does not lie between 10 and 11. Whether it is increasing or decreasing, 7 definitely does not lie between 10 and 11. So we ignore this interval. Now let's move on to the next interval, that is 20 and 30. That is the closed interval from 20 to 30. Clearly, we see the function values are 11 and 2. So definitely the function value, that is f of x equal to 7, 7 lies between 11 and 2. So we see that in this interval, the function value is 7. So we see that this is another interval. So far we have obtained two intervals. Now let's identify the last interval, that is from 30 to 40. The function values are 2 and 4. So 7 does not lie between 2 and 4. So clearly, this is now the interval. The function value will reach 7. So we say that it's only two times the f of x equal to 7. So we see that the answer to this question is two times. Two times f of x equals 7 in the interval 0 to 40. So the answer is two times.